Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to authenticate Muscletech Creatine Easy Guide. Begin by checking the packaging and batch code against official sources, then inspect seals and holograms closely. Next, verify lot numbers and purchase receipts, and consider independent lab testing or retailer verification to confirm purity and label accuracy. Inspecting packaging gives quick clues about authenticity, so start with external details like seal integrity, print clarity, and label quality. Next, examine holograms and tamper features closely. Then compare barcodes and batch codes with reliable images or store data, and note any spelling errors, uneven glue, or faded inks that often indicate counterfeit products. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support the channel. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker. It adds music and timers for workouts and pairs nicely with supplement prep. Great for pumps and pacing your sets. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Verify codes and test results to be confident in your creatine purchase. Contact the manufacturer with batch and lot numbers, request proof of authenticity from the seller, and consider independent lab testing for purity. Always save receipts and product photos to support returns or formal complaints if discrepancies appear.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.